This video is sponsored by Hersheys. Hey Busy Bees! What do you get when you combine a chocolate chip cookie with a hot cocoa? Well, today I've partnered with Hersheys to share this giant Skillet chocolate chip cookie that I'm going to be infusing with new Hershey's Hot Cocoa Kisses as our chocolate chip. Be sure to give this video a like if you love chocolate chip cookies, and don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notification bell to be alerted of new videos. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our cookie batter. So the cookie batter is really quite simple, and I've been known to be given the best cookie award at work, so I'm really proud of this recipe. But we'll go ahead and just start by adding our melted butter. I'm using a cup here that I'll add to my big bowl. Then I'll mix in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, give it a mix. And then we'll add 2 eggs at room temperature. Once you add the eggs in, the batter will become nice and glossy like this, and that's exactly what you're looking for. This looks good. And now I'll just combine the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then right on top of the vanilla extract, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is really gonna help activate the leavening process when you bake it off later. Then 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give it another mix, and now the fun part. We'll add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then like I mentioned earlier, in place of chocolate chips, we're gonna be using these new Hershey's Cocoa Kisses. Hot Cocoa Kisses combine delectable marshmallow cream in the center and classically delicious Hershey's milk chocolate, creating the experience of drinking a hot cocoa. And these are only available for a limited time. They're gone by Christmas, so get them now. I'm using about 2 cups or about 30-35 Hot Cocoa Kisses here. I think we'll add a few more. I love a lot of chocolate in my chocolate chip cookies, and these kisses are gonna be perfect. They're gonna hold their structure when you bake them off, but they're gonna really melt beautifully as well, if that makes sense. You'll see. That looks about enough. Now we're just gonna give it a final mix to combine everything. All right, this looks good. Always make sure that you mix well at the bottom too, because the little pieces of flour likes to hang out there. But I got them all incorporated, and now we're gonna transfer this over to our 12-inch skillet. I'm using a cast iron skillet here, and it's already nice and oiled. You always wanna keep your cast iron skillet oiled anyways, so this is perfect. And now I'm just gonna spread the batter right on top. Like I said, sometimes there's little pieces of flour that hang out at the bottom. So like this right here, just go ahead and mix it in with your hand. It'll be totally fine. And since we're mixing with our hands, I'm just gonna take my palm and press the batter down. It's a hands-on recipe. Get it? Get it? And then finally, just give it a smoothing out with the spatula. All right, this looks good. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 350 degrees, and depending on how firm or gooey you like your chocolate chip skillet, I would bake it for 15 minutes for nice and gooey, or 20 minutes for it to be nice and firm. This looks incredible and it smells so good. But wait, I am not done yet. I'm gonna be adding a few scoops of vanilla ice cream on top. The cookie is still super hot, so the ice cream is melting into it, so I gotta work fast. And then we'll drizzle it with some extra chocolate syrup. Ah, this looks so good. Obviously, something this large is meant to be shared, so this would be the perfect dessert if you have like a dinner party or just like a friendly get-together, and it came together so quickly. I, of course, am gonna dig in right now. I'll dip it in some melted ice cream. Here's the money shot. I got a Hershey's Kiss in here, so we have a big chocolate chunk. Yes! Make sure it doesn't burn my tongue. The edge of the cookie is nice and crispy, and then the inside is gooey still. And then the Hershey's Kiss, you definitely taste the marshmallow cream in there with the chocolate, the milk chocolate. I would dig in from the center. That's still super gooey with the ice cream. So what do you guys say we do that, huh? It looks a bit messy, but it's gonna be delicious. This is the perfect combination. Before I finish this thing, let me know what you think of this giant hot cocoa chocolate chip skillet, and don't forget to comment below and tell me, are you guys more of a crispy, hard chocolate chip cookie lover, or do you like the soft and gooey part? This one here is like the best of both worlds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have watched this far, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Our secret emoji today is the chocolate bar. And just for fun, to tie with the theme today, how about a mug for hot cocoa? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And thanks to Hersheys for sponsoring this video.